Google introducing a new addition to their Google Cloud platform. They introduced Blockchain Node Engine, a fully managed node hosting for Web3 development. So it looks like Google is stepping up to the plate and getting into supporting the Web3 options that are out there. So what is this? What does Google want to help you with? Well, Google wants to help you with self-managed nodes because the problem with self-managed nodes is that they're often difficult to deploy and they require constant management. So what they want to do is they want to make a really simple process for you, and they're going to be supporting Ethereum as the first blockchain supported by their blockchain node engine, enabling developers to provision fully managed Ethereum nodes with secure blockchain access. And so the benefits of this is that it streamlines provisioning. So traditionally, if you wanted to go ahead and deploy a node manually, it would be extremely time intensive. You're going to have to go through installing the Ethereum client and waiting for the node to sync everything, all the data on the Ethereum network, and bringing over the full node from the first block. The Genesis block it can take several days for, especially if you're on like a slow internet connection. So Google Cloud is just going to do this all for you. So you can just spin up a blockchain node engine, and then boom, you've provisioned all of the stuff that you need for your Ethereum blockchain node. So they're saying that their solution is more secured and it's going to be a fully managed operation. So everything's going to be living on the cloud. So basically, if you wanted to spin up your own Ethereum node, you can just go ahead and use the Google Cloud now to simplify that process. And this might be a very useful solution for you if you believe in the Metaverse and the future of blockchain technology. Now, there are some people saying, Canalys, they're saying that the blockchain is going to be dead by 2025, but they're kind of the underdog. When it comes down to everyone else, McKinsey forecast 5 trillion by 2030. Citi says that that's going to be up to 13 trillion. We're seeing Gartner also recognizes, and they reckon that by 2026, a quarter of the entire world will be spending at least 1 hour a day in Metaverse shopping, working, socializing, learning, and 30% of organizations will have products or services ready for the digital realm. We talked about the artificially generated AI images that are being put into games. So I could see that easily being AI generated, clothing and avatars and all of that stuff taking place into the metaverse. If Gartner's prediction is right, a quarter of the world spending 1 hour a day in the metaverse by 2026. So it looks like Google is making the right play with their building out their introduction of their blockchain node engine. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see how that gets adopted. I'm sure that Google will be successful in their endeavor, but Web3 development is a focus now of Google, obviously, because they're putting their support on the infrastructure for their Google Cloud. So that's pretty exciting for all blockchain developers and a big move from Google this week. So kudos to Google for taking that step. That definitely sounds really interesting. I'm excited to see where this blockchain node engine goes. It is really cool that you can kind of just self-provision all of this stuff at a touch of a button into the cloud, and then you can just work off of that. That definitely is a huge time saver, so people don't have to manually provision their own nodes in the blockchain. Thank you so much. Take care, productive programmer. See you next time.